Good morning, guys. So today I got a little project that I want to do, and it's actually right behind me. So this little area I have here is plain. So what I want to do is put something on this wall. As you can see, these stools, these are some stools that I got, and I have to revamp them, decorate this area. So these stools, I got them from the Goodwill. I had some stools before, and they broke. But these were cheap at the Goodwill, and they're good, sturdy ones. They're just brown. So I gotta spray paint the bottom black and then redo the top. And to do that, I got this fabric from Walmart. I got this fabric from Walmart. It was like $7 and change for 2 yards. So I'm gonna revamp those chairs. But just watch me decorate, and it's gonna be a ton of fun. I know I look a mess, but it's so early. Like, I had to wake up really early because I'm on call this month for work. So, and I'm on call starting at 10 o'clock. So I was like, let me do this early, so if they call me, it's already done. So that's what we're doing, guys. So let's get started. This is the fabric that I have, and then I have some spray paint. These chairs are brown, and I need them to be black. So let's get started. Okay, so for this video, you're gonna need a screwdriver. I just got my drill here because it's easier. A glue gun, some glue sticks. You can also use a staple gun to get the fabric on the cushion, but I'm just gonna use some glue sticks because my staple gun is at my mom's. It's not even mine, it's my mom's, but whatever. You're gonna need a little sheet cover, whatever, for when you're spray painting, so that you don't mess up wherever you are. 2 cans of black spray paint if you get the cheap kind. If you get a good kind, then 1 will do. And then, of course, fabric, whatever kind of fabric you choose to do the cushion with. So let's get started. All right, so this is the stool. The first thing you want to do is flip that thing over and get up in that, and the screws, and unscrew the, let me zoom in. See the screws here? You want to unscrew this from the cushion so that you can separate. like this way. Yeah, I like this way. Thanks for your input. Nah.
So you already paid? Oh shit, what's drinking? There's always a
And I'ma say boom. Leave me alone.
Shit, I had to been on some kind of hyper ass drug. Trying to fight the pain of you being in her way.
Shut your ass up.
More so than anyone, more so than is Mike Thompson. Mike is going to be the one who this offseason is going to have to re-evaluate exactly how he figure it out. Tomlin figure it out. Coleman figure it out. Rookie the second. Run the damn organization. So there's another. You know though, there's a.
Nice.
I ain't need a lot.
Oh, you didn't?
Go ahead, man. What you on with?
Did you hear y'all talking about getting rid of all that?
Oh, miles on every purchase, every day. Just you grab it, you'll take your first bite. It's just like insane.
I don't know. Oh, well. Y'all didn't stop beating on me. All right, chairs done. So let's move on to the table. The chairs were super easy. I can't wait to show you guys how I did it. It was super easy. So let's move on.
And a lot of people took the Ravens. And I mentioned at the time, history will not record.